Hey everyone, it's Andrea Riqueña, or simply Andrea, and I am here with a new tutorial. I don't even know if I should call it a tutorial, to be honest. It may just be a makeup test, but if it's good enough, then it will be a tutorial. We'll figure it out later. I am working on becoming Persephone from Lore Olympus, y'all. It's a really interesting story, and of course it has its basis in Greek mythology, hence Persephone, the goddess of spring, and it's like a kind of contemporary version of her romance with Hades, because that's not how it really went, but this is not a history class right now, okay? So I'm going to be I am going to be doing my best to try to do this look that I've never done. I'm really afraid, but it's going to be okay. Maybe. We'll see. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to start off with prepping my face and my hair. So I'm going to put my hair up in a wig cap, and I'm going to moisturize with... Hold on. And I'm going to moisturize with this Good Mood Gel Moisturizer from Fourth Ray Beauty. You can also find it on the ColourPops Cosmetics website. Alright, so the wig cap is on. As I said before, I'm going to go in with my Good Mood Gel Moisturizer. See, Fourth Ray Beauty, I could totally make jingles and stuff. Y'all should just go ahead. Throw me a little PR. Little boxy box. You know, if you want no pressure. A little bit of pressure, but not much, because you're you and I have a small channel and nobody knows me. So I'm not the most obviously elegant of applying moisturizer. I'm not sure if there are like methods to do it. The best, I just put it on because it feels good and it helps prepare my skin for what's about to happen. Once I finish my moisturizer, I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Finish Spray. It is basically just a little setting spray. Oh God. I missed my face and I think it's clogged. Oh, it is. It's spraying like a fire hydrant. This is okay. All right. Yeah. Just, I think it's on. Okay, I know I still look sweaty. That's just I know I look sweaty and not still look sweaty, because I'm not. This is literally just the finish spray, setting spray, whatever the heck it is. Now, I have a couple of different options for the paint that I would like to use for the skin. So Persephone is pink or magenta. I do have this dark pink, but I don't really have a darker pink wig. This is from Mehron. This is a Paradise Makeup AQ. This stuff looks amazing. But then I've also got like this cream blend stick that I'm actually more used to using. I typically use cream blend sticks for like my looks like Connie or Marceline from Adventure Time. And I do kind of like the bubblegum pink, because the wigs that I have that I tried to dye in another video, this color might work better for them because the wigs are so pale. Because I'm just worried that this pink is a little too dark. We'll do a swatch test and we'll see. Okay, so this is the results of the swatch test. I just want to point out which one is which. This is the cream blend stick. I already kind of started to like buff it out to see what it would look like. And then over here, we've got the Mehron Paradise AQ. They're both Mehron products. And as you can see, it's a little bit darker. I think I'm still going to use this for the base, and I may go in and use this for the contour. So to apply, to start off, it's fairly simple. You're just going to draw on your face. It's great. We love it. It's amazing. You are your own coloring book. There are no lines. Color wherever. Except maybe on your clothes. But they're pink too. You are pink. There's only pink. There is no you. Boo boo. Doo doo. Oh, now it's like flat, right? But look, it works like lipstick. You just twist the bottom and it comes back up. Okay, you didn't need any of that. But I gave it to you. You're welcome. Y'all don't need to see all this. Give me a minute. Alright, and once you look like a discarded Pepto-Bismol tab, you're going to go in with a beauty blender, sponge, whatever the heck these things are called. I don't know. I can't believe things have names. It's so friggin' arbitrary. You're just going to, you know, this is what you're going to do. And you're going to do this until you no longer exist. Until you are a child's pink nightmare. Just get all your rage out. Through little tiny tabs. Get your passive aggressiveness out. Just... This is actually really tiring. I don't have that much rage. I really thought I did, but I guess I don't. I'm a horrible Aries. Yes, I'm an Aries. I'm already bored with this. I'm gonna be back because I'm not gonna do this on camera because I'm just gonna get mad. I did it? Okay, next thing we're gonna... Oh my god, so big. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some highlight with a white one. And I don't think... So I'm just gonna... You know, like it's like actually, like, you know, like how I would normally do it with some highlight, except, you know, I would never use it. Oh Jesus, I'm already scared. Okay, I'm gonna blend it in. All right, I gave myself a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna try to do a tiny bit of contour with this stuff. I don't know how it's gonna work because this is water-based and I don't understand anything really. Life. I mean, like, I don't understand like how to mix bases, but I just want a little more depth so I'm just, you know, not looking like some bubblegum ice cream, yo. I don't even know if this is doing anything. Now the makeup is starting to slide and glide. It's probably time to set it because the next thing I'm going to do is basically just eyes. I think I got a little bit of contour, not a ton. It was really hard to mix, but it is all over my fingers. So the next thing I'm going to do, probably should explain this, is I'm going to go in with my Mehron Color Set Powder. It says it's translucent, but y'all going to look at me like, that is white. Why is that person putting white all over their face? So I got these little tiny, what are these? I guess powder puffs. So I got these tiny powder puffs because before what I was doing is I was just taking a big old brush and just going poof, woof, and it was just cakey and like crinkly. So I'm hoping that this will work a little bit better because this is what I've seen the makeup girlies do. I don't know if this is better or not, to be honest. So I'm going to work on this in a place where I can actually see. This palette, the Ooh La La ColourPop palette, ColourPop if you're here, I would very much appreciate a PR box. I just used this again for the eyeshadow-y stuff. Now I'm going to try to give myself some eyebrows because I look like a piece of bubble gum that was like in the gumball machine. Look, there's the eyebrow. I did it. I need some oil liner. I need to line the oils. We're gonna go on a journey together, all right? Because don't know what I'm doing. I'm already scared. I can't. All right, here we go. We're gonna do this one. Please don't be a jerk. I feel like I could benefit from a protractor while doing eyeliner. But I ain't got one today. Okay. Oh my god. I'm a gumball. The next step, I mean, I already did some of my stuff. We're gonna do some mascara first, and then I'm gonna put on some lip stuff, and then I'll do some lashes. Ugh. Okay. Alright, so there's some of the lash before I glue on new ones. I am not digging this lip at all, so I am going to try to figure that out. I also kind of want some blush, but it's like, how do you do blush on someone who's pink? Alright, we're using the Fade Into Hue palette. Again, ColourPop, Fourth Ray Beauty, please. PR box bless me, please. I promise I'll use the products. So we are going to use this Atelier, it's something like that. We're going to use that color right there, and we're going to go in. Oh, okay, there's a little something happening. There's a little something. Okay, all right. Oh, okay. This is the Mehron Barrier Spray. Boop. And it's supposed to not let the pink rub off. So we're gonna just get to spray it. It does not smell good. It got in my mouth. Oh. Oh, Jesus. This is, I don't like it. And I am low-key afraid to spray this on my face. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Okay. It lingers. It lingers in the air. I don't know if it's safe. Is it safe to put on my face? Avoid contact with eye. So does that means no, right? Like I should not put this on my face. I don't like it. I don't like it, you guys. I don't like it. Oh God, you guys, it smells so bad. Oh, it smells so bad. It just smells like straight up chemical factory. All right, now we dry. We dry. We gotta just get dry. This is gross. Dig it. So yes, we're gonna style this up and we're gonna see Persephone. All right, and here she is. So let me tell you about this wig. This is not how this wig originally is supposed to look. You're supposed to wear it the other way. Yes, I am wearing this wig backwards. I got the idea to dream girls it while going live on TikTok because I was freaking out, y'all, about this look because I didn't think I had it all together. So hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm off to make some content as Pink Stephanie. That's not her name. Persephone. First, Beta Listen Ed, thank you so much for being here. And remember, videos like this are made possible by viewers like you. If you would like to support, feel free to look at my links. You can help me by buying something off my Amazon wishlist, subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and of course, also becoming a patron. Thank you all so much. See you next time. None of this could happen without my patrons and viewers like you. Special shout out to Beta Listen Ed. Thank you so much for your support this month.